Welcome to step 3 of setting up the Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop service on Citrix Cloud. In step 3, we need to create the machine catalog. Open the Management Console in Citrix Cloud and click Create Machine Catalog. Because we created a Citrix Virtual Apps server operating system in the previous demo, select Server OS. Click Next without changing any settings. In the Machines section, you need to add a computer. My computer's name was Demo Edge 1 XD Local, which is my local domain. Click Check Name. If your computer's name is underlined, then the communication is working. Click OK, and then click Next. Now you need to name your machine catalog. In this situation, I'll call it Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops Demo. This concludes step 3 of setting up a machine catalog on the Citrix Virtual Desktops service on Citrix Cloud. In the next demo, we will set up user access to the delivery group.